Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation on a forklift ramp project at the warehouse remodel. Just got our concrete placed, 4,000 PSI, calcium added. You can see it dried already at the top. Got our slip forms in place for the curb. Rebar pins installed every 2 feet plus or minus. Got our final end caps out up here. Built these where they just slide into each other. Guys are starting to fill things up now. We're using spots of concrete to even these forms up so they're level before we start pouring. We built these out of 2x6s, screwed together. Makes for an easy process, very straightforward. Concrete's already getting slick out in the sun. Big shout out to SRM Concrete. Got us everything we needed right on time, right before the holidays, so dreams do come true. Call us if we can help you out with your commercial remodeling projects or any type of concrete work at all. We can handle it. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.